Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for your social security number in France. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've got all this information from sciencepod.fr, so shout outs to them. So I'm just going to quickly recap how to do this. So in France, SSN is essential if you plan to live, work, and study there long term. It gives you access to healthcare, family allowance, pensions, and other benefits. So, this is a quick recap. So, number one, if you're an employee in France, usually your employer will apply on your behalf when they declare you're hiring. So, you need to provide passport, national ID, birth certificate, proof of residence in France. This can be utility bill, lease, etc., and a work contract. You'll receive a temporary SSN number first, then a permanent one once your documents are fully validated. Now, if you're a student, international students can request a social security number through the French Social Security for Students portal. Now you will need required documents, so valid ID, passport, visa, birth certificate, official translation, proof of enrollment in a French institution, proof of address in France, bank details. Now, if you're self-employed or not working, you can apply directly with CPAM in your area. Fill out the form application for health insurance rights and attach required documents, and that can be birth certificate, passport ID, proof of residence, and bank details. Now, what happens next? So you receive a provisional SSN number. Once your file is fully processed, which can take a few months, so just be patient with that. You'll get a permanent number and later a carte vitale. So this is a health insurance card. So as a side note, always keep certified translations of your birth certificate ready, as this is the most requested document. Processing can take time, so apply as soon as possible after arriving in France.